Want to turn your website visitors into loyal customers? Stick around as I reveal the secrets to crafting a lead generation strategy that really works. Hi there, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we provide the powerful, reliable hosting your online business needs to thrive. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 essential steps to create a lead generation strategy that will not only capture leads, but also convert them into dedicated customers. Let's dive in. The first step is all about understanding who your ideal customers are. Use market research to gather insights about your audience's demographics, preferences, and pain points. This information will guide all your lead generation efforts, ensuring that you're targeting the right people with the right message. Next, develop a lead magnet. This is an irresistible offer designed to capture your target audience's information. Think ebooks, white papers, free trials, or webinars that provide valuable information in exchange for contact details. Make sure your lead magnet solves a real problem or answers a question that is relevant to your audience. Once your lead magnet is ready, create a dedicated landing page on your website. This page should feature compelling content that highlights the benefits of the lead magnet, a simple form to collect lead information, and a strong call to action. Your landing page should be streamlined and free of distractions, focusing solely on encouraging sign-ups. You should have a clear and compelling headline, concise and persuasive content that explains what the lead magnet is, why it's valuable, and how it solves a problem or addresses a need. Make sure to include visuals that are relevant and appealing to your audience, and place a form strategically on the page that asks for essential information like name, email address, and possibly 1 or 2 other relevant details. Keep the form as short as possible to increase the chances of completion. Page speed is crucial for keeping visitors engaged. Optimizing your page's images and streamlining elements is a great way to ensure the page loads quickly. Another crucial element to ensure your page is fast and optimized is your hosting provider. Rapyd Cloud's hosting solutions ensure that your landing pages load quickly, handle traffic efficiently, and provide a secure environment for your data. With Rapyd Cloud, you can focus on generating and converting leads, knowing your online presence is in good hands. Check the link in the description to try it for yourself. Now, with your landing pages set up, it's time to drive traffic to them. Use a mix of organic and paid marketing strategies. For organic search, optimize your site's SEO and share your lead magnets on social media platforms and within relevant online communities. For paid traffic, consider using targeted ads on social platforms and Google Ads to reach a broader audience. Finally, develop a follow-up strategy for nurturing the leads you've collected. Begin by segmenting your leads based on their behavior, demographics, or where they are in the sales funnel. This allows you to tailor your communication and ensure that the messages are relevant to each group. For example, you might send different emails to those who downloaded a beginner's guide versus those who requested a product demo. Use the information you've collected to personalize your email communications. Address leads by name, reference their specific interests or recent interactions with your brand, and offer solutions that meet their unique needs. Personalization increases engagement and shows your leads that you understand and value them. Use email marketing to send regular updates, additional valuable content, and offers that guide leads through your sales funnel. The key is to keep engaging with them, providing value, and gradually moving them towards making a purchase. Connect with leads on social platforms by responding to their comments, sharing their content, and providing them with content that aligns with their interests. Social media can be a less formal way to keep your brand top of mind and interact more dynamically with potential customers. There you have it, 5 steps to a powerful lead generation strategy that can help boost your business. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates. If you have any questions or need further help with your lead generation efforts, drop a comment below or visit us at Rapyd Cloud. Thanks for watching, and I wish you success in capturing and converting more leads.